Creating apps is much easier using AI. Let me show you a demo of an app I just created using AI, and I'm going to take you through the step-by-step guide on how I made this app. So let's go into it. So firstly, this is a sign-in page. You're going to create an account, sign in. So this is a food app, or rather restaurant app. As you can see, there is the menu. You have your cheeseburgers, your classic burgers, and all that. You can even filter. Let's say you want drinks, you can just filter to drinks. You can place your order. When you place your order, you can add items to the cart. Put in your name, your phone number, pickup or delivery, and a note. As you can see there, it adds your cart. You have your total there, and then if you select delivery, you have to put in the address that you want your food to be delivered to, a special note, and then you're gonna place your order. So the order is successfully placed. So now let's go to the admin dashboard over here. So as you can see, there is the order that I just placed right now, and below there's an order that I just did. So I can actually update this order. I can say start preparing, and the customer gets a notification. I can also mark as ready or delivered, which means the item, or rather the food, has been delivered to the customer. They got their food and everything is all fine. So basically, that's a food app, and that's how it works. You place your order, you choose your items, you add to your cart, and then you pay when you go to pick up, or rather you pay when it gets delivered to you. There is no payment gateway integrated as of yet, but it is coming soon. So now I'm going to show you how I actually created this app using AI. I didn't write any line of code. I used all AI no code tools. I also used Supabase. You'll also see in the video Supabase is integrated into the platform that I'm using. I'm actually using Bolt.ai. Actually it's Bolt.new. Let me show you how to make an app in minutes using AI without writing a single line of code, by just giving it a prompt, and your app is created and ready for you. Stay tuned. So first thing, I'm gonna put in my prompt. As you can see there, I put in a very long prompt, as I want a very detailed approach to this. I give it all the functionalities that I want, all the pages that I want, and all that. So Bolt is busy writing all lines of code for me. I'm just monitoring. So it actually wants to connect to Supabase, which is a database, a cloud open source database, and I do have an account with Supabase. So I'm just going to integrate the two platforms. It's asking for permission. I'm going to give Bolt permission to Supabase, my account. So now it's connecting, as you can see. So basically, Supabase is it's a database, a free cloud database, SQL, where you can actually store your images, store your data, store your tables, and all that information. So since I'm creating an app that's going to be used by small restaurants or fast food takeaways or whatever you call them, I wanted to store the menu. It must store the orders. It must store everything that you sold and all that data that you can need to run such a business. As you can see of now, I have huge errors. I'm just going to give it a new prompt, or I can just say it must attempt to fix. But as you can see, here's a simple demo that it came up with. I don't actually like it as of yet. It's not bad, but there's no functionality. It's just the basic prototype. No functionality, no integration, and all that. I'm gonna give it a prompt and tell it exactly what I want it to do, exactly the functionality and the action that I want to happen based on a certain button or a certain requirement that is met. So I want to be able to view the menu. I'm just gonna tell it to give me a dummy menu, and I want to place orders. It must give me prices and all that. As you can see right now, it's still blank. There's nothing, there's no functionality, no data. But let's get on to it. Let's upload it can actually upload our database for us. The Supabase database, Bolt has access now, so it's going to update the tables as we go in real time. And keep in mind, I haven't written any line of code yet. So okay, it's creating our pages. There's the code there. So it's only gonna ask me for permission to allow the changes to the database. As you can see, I did allow the changes. Let's look at the database. This is the structure for now. Now I just want to show you the tables, how the tables look. So this is the tables that it created so far. and there's data in the order on the in the menu. Yeah, in the menu table, I believe there is data that it plays there. Let's just check. Okay, yeah, this is our menu. So it put in placeholders there, it put in images, price, everything. So now our database is ready. Let's go back and work on the platform, or rather on the app. So I want when I place an order, I want the order to appear on the admin side. So I want the admin to have access to the orders that users place, and the user must be able to place an order. So here is our first, or rather here is the type that it came with. It uses an image, welcome to Tasty Bites. Okay, not a problem. And then right away you get your menu, you get your price description, what's included in the product, you have your drinks and all that. I like this, especially provided I didn't write any line of code. This is perfect for me. So I'm just going to test out certain things like the filter. Let's see if the filter actually works perfect. I can actually filter out from dessert, drinks, and all that. So let's go and view the dashboard. The dashboard is empty for now. There's nothing on the dashboard, but I'll come to that. I just want to go and try. Let's see. Okay, I can edit the menu. I have access to delete, edit, or add items on the menu. I'm just gonna try to add an item here, but I actually like how it actually gave me, as you can see, those buttons there, the button for editing and the button for deleting. So when I logged in as an admin, I can actually manage the menu from the back end. I can update items, I can update the price. So if you do want this system, you can actually use it for your business. You can update the price, you can update the specials if you have, and all that. So this is the basic version of it. I'm just gonna give it another prompt to give me a bit more functionality. Let's see. Yeah, as I was saying, if you have a small business, you sell food or any other items, you can actually use this platform. But for now, the functionality doesn't allow for users to pay online. Please mind that. It's either they're gonna pick the item from you and then they pay there, or there's going to be a delivery to the address they provided. When you deliver the item, the food, or the product, that's when the transaction will happen. So now let's see if it actually fixed what I wanted to see there. Let me go and place an order. So when I place an order, I have an option of adding items on the menu to my cart. As you can see on my right, there is the cart, and on the left is the menu items. I can actually add as many items as I want. Successfully added to the cart. You have to put in your name, your number, and then either you're gonna pick up or deliver. If you're going to pick deliver, you must enter your address. If you're going to pick it up, you can just give us comments. Maybe you'd like some extra sauce, you don't want vinegar or archer and all that. The function is not working as of yet. I'm getting an error because of the database. So I'm just going to give it an attempt to fix this problem. Is going to try and fix whatever is going on. So let's just let it cook. But I believe it's a minor issue because it has something to do with the database. There's nothing wrong with the platform or the app for now. It's just the functionality and the integration of the database to the platform. So when I place an order, it's supposed to update the orders table on the database. So that's the problem, that's the error that I'm getting when I see it can't actually update the orders table. I believe because of some integration error or something. I'm just gonna attempt again. Yeah, you see there's the error. Let's see. Yes, it's still struggling to add items to the orders table. I'll just try to figure out the issue and see what happened. But overall, this is the app that I got, guys. I believe you see every step that I took. There is no line of code that I wrote. I only used prompts, and I only connected Supabase, which is the database that this app runs on. So there's nothing complicated to create an app. It's very much easy. You can see you can even sell these apps to people you know, or businesses that it actually solves the problem for. So if you are also interested in this app, you can just comment down below, we'll talk. Or if you want something specific or custom to you, I can assist in creating something for you. Don't hesitate to contact me down below. That's it, guys. So as you saw there, it's very easy to create an app using AI, and this is not the only platform, the only AI platform available out there to create an app. This is just one of them, and the one that I like the most because it performs the way I expect it to do, especially the free version. It's just that there is credits. You don't have enough credits to do many apps or have many commands in a day. There's a certain limit of credits that they give you, and you're gonna get another credits the following day. But this is the best for me so far in terms of creating apps. I'm still gonna try other ones. I have actually made a video about this one previously. I'll just link it somewhere, I don't know, here or here. I'll link to the video that I created about Bolt and how it works and all that. This is the second video I'm creating because of how good this platform actually is. So that it is it, guys, how to create an app using AI. Tune in next week for another video on an AI app, platform, tool, or anything like that. Thank you. Take care.